This is a quick overview video of my ammo counter running in prop mode. So normally you would connect this up to your Nerf gun and it would count the shots going through the Nerf gun, but I can also hook it up to hook directly up to a fake trigger, and you hold it down. And in prop mode you can have your option of continuous burst or just full auto, semi-auto, whatever you want. So I'm gonna show you how to go into those modes. Hold down the left button and then cycle through until you get to the P setting. And then you hold down this button here. And now you're editing the P settings. 0 is no prop mode, so normal semi-auto fire. 1 is continuous fire for full auto. 2 is burst fire. So let's look at what this burst fire looks like. There we are. And let's just look at the semi-auto again. We'll go to P0, hold this button to exit. Only responds one at a time. Press either of the face buttons to reset it, or change the clip size. The clip size is programmable by holding this button, and then you can enter in the clip size you want. Hold either button to exit, and it will remember your clip sizes.